Yes, please. Okay, let's check this place out. Looks like they have kebabs, souvlaki's. That's some squid on a stick by the looks of it. A skinny spiral staircase we're going up here. Shit. Got a bit of a view as well. Not too bad at all. Just got our meal, smelling good, looking good. With the sticks, we have 1 beef, 1 pork, and 1 squid. I'm interested to see how the barbecue squid tastes. I do like squid. These little legs. Actually, I'm going to eat that now. It's good. Barbecue taste is good. Okay, that was good. Last bit left. Okay, we're going to go down the beach and I'm going to try and put the drone up. Hope it's not too windy. Get some nice footage. So much to see down there with the drone. Hopefully it can handle the wind. It's not. There's a little bit, but not too much. Hopefully it should be fine. So, thank you very much. See you later. Yeah, it's a tad bit dangerous here. You wouldn't want to have a few beers and try and get down here. You're getting down the fast way. Okay, going to try and put the drone up. Hopefully not too windy. I want to get some nice footage. Okay, let's do it, baby. Go, 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 baby, go. Oh, that's cool. Rose has the sun umbrella going.
Can I take the...
Cannot take the sun. Too hot. Too hot. Okay, I'm going to try and film from the other beach and see what happens. Hopefully I come home with a drone. Hello. Yeah, you're a nice one. Oh, little doggy. Oh, you want a pat too, do you?
I want this one. Hi, baby. Hello. Good.
Little kitties. Have a good day.
You too.
Come on. Yeah, little man, you're getting feed. What are these ones, eh? What are these ones? Here. Oh, you don't want it? Come on. Get in India. Try the other one. Come on. Just try him. What's this? Come on. Yeah, come on. These ones. Come on, get him in here. Come on. Well, the dogs won't eat them, so I'm guessing I'm eating some crackers. See what they taste like. Not too bad. Dogs lost, my gain.
So how?
I didn't want them. Silly dogs. Silly, silly dogs. Tried.